Tropical update as of 5:30 a.m. PST July 22nd. We got three slights in the lake. And I mean slights. Former 94 is heading towards the Leeward Islands. It should be there the next day. Not expected to form, but still changing some convection. I don't think they should have downgraded it yet, but the chances of development are pretty damn low. As the NHC says, 0% chance. And that is as low as it gets. It could have moved northwest at around 15 miles per hour. And it's not expected to form. But, yeah. Or closer up. There is some hints of an LSC, a weak one right in here. So, no, I wouldn't have downgraded, and I'll continue at 10 because of this. None of the models develop, and that's just the way it is. We can show you. We got a system off the Carolinas. It's just similar to 493. It's back to the drop over Florida into the Gulf. But development chances are extremely low. But there is some slight model support. 48 hours kind of has a velocity over Florida on the GFS. 72, I moved it towards Texas. We got the Cape Verde system, which is our other slight, which is right there. It's kind of showing some rotation. So there is some slight mod support. Let's go to 96. You definitely have some velocity. You got the other system moving inland in Texas. CMC, pretty much the same, but weaker for both systems. ECMWF, about the same. So there's definitely a little bit of more support. 120, literally nothing for the ECMWF while we go to the GFS. A little bit more velocity for the Cape Verde system. Let's look at 144. Yeah, really nothing. 168. And that's pretty much 7 days. 198. We're going to look at Eastern Pacific, which is also nothing is expected to develop in the next 7 days. But there is hints at the later part of that something may develop south of Mexico. We do got a little bit of low pressure here that we're watching. That I'd actually label with a very slight. I mean, it looks good, nice. Let's look at the models. Let's go 6C. Look at that. At 192 on the GFS, 997 millibars. Let's go deck 168. You definitely have a low pressure 168. 144, a low pressure. That's 7 days. I'm going to label that 20. I mean, GFS has been pretty damn persistent. I mean, and even the CMC shows a low pressure at 150. Even 126. 108. Let's see the GFS. 102. 144. Yeah, definitely low pressure. Let's look at icon. It also shows that low pressure. So yeah, I definitely give about 20% for this at within 7 days. Well, that's your tropical update for this morning.